In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download specific or a single slide in your presentation. Now, as you can see here, I have a presentation of 10 slides, and I'll only wish to download this number 3 slide. Now, to do so, what you need to do is to go to Share, and the Share option is here. And from the Share button, you can see we have the Download option. Go ahead and tap on Download. And this will suggest for you the number of pages that you want to download. As you can see, we have select pages. Now here you have to go ahead and select the page or the specific pages that you want to download. And to do so, just hit on this down arrow and then select the specific pages. Now, by default, all the pages have been selected. We want to go ahead and unselect all of them by unchecking the Select All option. Now, we specifically want slide 3. I'll have to go ahead and check the slide that I want or the page that I want. So I've checked on page 3. If you wish to go ahead and maybe select another page, maybe you want again to select page 8, which is this, you can go ahead again and add page 8 to your selection. This time around, you have again to repeat because the other selection was undone. And go ahead, choose all the pages that you want. We want page 3 and page 8. Now, during the download, this tool will ignore all the other pages and will only download page 3 and page 8. Now, before you download, you may want to go and change the format under which you want to download. This download is in form of a PDF. But suppose you want to download in PNG, go ahead and change it to PNG. Now, once you're done, you can see the number of pages that will be downloaded are 2, and specifically page 3 and page 8. Go ahead now and download. Now, within a moment, your pages will be downloaded, and they are being downloaded in a zip form. If they are being downloaded in a zip form, you can go ahead and extract to find them. Or if you are not comfortable with extracting the pages, you can go ahead and download them in a format that will allow you to view them automatically. For this, you may want to go and download in a PDF format. So just go ahead, repeat the same process, and then select the specific pages you want, page 3 and page 8. And then tap on Done, and this time around let it download in form of a PDF. And when we hit on download, you can see our download is here, and only 2 pages have been downloaded, which is page 3 and page 8. So that's how you download specific pages in a presentation in Canva. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.